In this topic, we will discuss about preposition, specifically preposition of movement. There are 7 prepositions that are commonly used to describe a movement of object. These prepositions are to, from, through, round, along, across, and the last one is past. Now, let's we discuss each of them. The first one is preposition of to and from. As you can see from the picture here, to is used to describe approaching or reaching a particular location. Meanwhile, from can be used to indicate a point in space at which a journey, a motion, or action starts. Let's have a look on the use of this preposition in a sentence. Here we have our character Ahmad. On the left side, how do you describe this picture of Ahmad? Using the preposition of movement to. We can say that Ahmad is walking to a university building. And on the right side, we can say that Ahmad is walking from the university building. The next prepositions are through and round. Take a look on this picture. Through can be described as moving in one side and out to the other side of location. Meanwhile, round is encircling or encompassing. Let's have a look on the sentence. As we can see here, we can describe that Ahmad is walking through the door. And on the right side, we can describe that Ahmad is walking round the corner. Now, let's discuss the next preposition, that is along and across. As you can see from the picture, along is used to state someone or something is moving in one direction. Meanwhile, across is used to state someone or something move from one side to another side. For across, it may imply that there is a gap, obstruction in the middle that needs to be crossed. Now, let's see the example of using along and across. For example, here, we can see here, Ahmad is walking along the road. You can see Ahmad is walking, moving in one direction. The next one, Ahmad is walking across the bridge. The last preposition is past. Past is described movement to a position that is further than a particular point. For example, here we can see Ahmad is walking past the shop. Now, let's have an example of the conversation. Let's see how Ahmad gets to the hospital. Can you understand all of the preposition to show the direction? For example, here, Ahmad asks, "Excuse me, miss, how do I get to the hospital?" The citizen may describe, "Go along this road, past the cinema, across the bridge, and the hospital is on the left." This is the end of video move preposition of movement.